Okay, so welcome back, and now in this video we're going to do a couple of examples of raising numbers that are written in scientific notation to a power. Okay, so all I'm going to do is follow the steps that I talked about in the last video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the 2 to each factor. So I'm going to raise each of the factors by 2. So that's going to make this into what? I'm going to have 2 squared times 10 to the third squared. Okay? Now, here, this is just going to equal 4. Here, now I've got to use the power rule for exponents when I have a power raised to a power. So the rule is I multiply the exponents. So here, I'm going to multiply the 2 exponents and I get 6. So it's going to be 10 to the 6th. And I'm done because I don't have to make any adjustments here. Okay? Now, let's do this one. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to distribute the 3, the exponent of 3, to both factors. Okay? So that means what I'm going to end up having is this. I'm going to have 4.2 cubed times 10 to the negative 4th power cubed. Okay? Now, if I cube this, okay, so here, if I cube this, I'm going to get something around 50. Right? Well, not 50, I'm sorry, 74. Because 16 times 4 is 64. So what do we get? Hold on, let me see. So you get 74.088. 74.088 times 10. Now here I get negative 4 times 3, which is negative 12. Okay? Now I have to adjust this because this is not between 1 and 10. So I'm going to move the decimal point over, which means I'm going to have 7.4088 times 10 to what power? Well, again, if I'm moving it to the left, so what happens? I have to increase the exponent. So that means I'm going to have to go to negative 11. Okay? So again, just make sure you understand how to do that. Now, then part C gives us what? Part C says 7.3 times 10 to the negative 2 raised to the negative 5th power. And so again, we're just going to handle this the same way as we did the others. So I'm going to distribute the negative 5 to both factors. And so I'm going to get 7.3 to the negative 5th power times 10 to the negative 2 raised to the negative 5th power. And so now, again, all you have to do is stick that in your calculator. 7.3 to the negative 5th power gives us what? It gives us 0.0000482, approximately. So we get 0.0000482 times 10. Now this is going to be negative 2 times negative 5, which is 10. So we're going to get 10 to the 10th power. Okay. Now, again, we're going to have to write this in scientific notation. So I'm going to have to move this to the right. Okay. Okay? So again, think about it. If I move it to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, that means to get back to where I started, I would have to reduce this exponent by 5. Right? So this would equal approximately 4.82 times 10 to the 5th power. Okay? And that's it, we're done. See you next time.